Have you ever wondered why this formula is used for finding the sum of n natural numbers? To understand this, we have to dive into basic notation of counting. First, we have to consider a number as a block. Here you can observe clearly that we have arranged numbers in staircase pattern to represent the numbers starting from 1, 2, 3, and so on up to n being the last specified number. Let's duplicate this staircase and flip this new staircase pattern. Now align it with the original pattern to form a rectangle. So the total blocks in the rectangle is basically n multiplied by n plus 1. As we can see, the length and breadth of the rectangle are n and n plus 1 respectively. Since the rectangle contains two identical staircases, the total sum of one staircase is the area of the rectangle, or the total number of blocks in the rectangle divided by 2. Thereby giving us the beautiful formula, n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2 as the formula for finding the sum of n natural numbers. Hit the like button if you like this approach. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.